Hello everyone, good week. Vladimir here with you. Welcome to my weekly review. This is the first week of December. What did we have on the last week? Actually, it was a rebound week, right? As I called it on my blog during the week. I've mentioned a few levels on few pairs, and I said that we are probably gonna see big, quick, powerful retrace. And today, after 3 days of the rebound, we can say it was a right and correct decision to look for the rebound. Well, the first pair I've talked about was the euro dollar, right? And I've mentioned 129.50 level. The euro reached 129.70, even lower, right? As you can see, 129.68 was the lower, almost the levels that I've mentioned. And look what happened since this level. We have this retrace. Can you see it? We have this engulfing, and after this engulfing, we have the euro fired up, all right, all the way until the point that I don't know what to expect from this point. And I must say that I'm very confused about the market because we reached the last months of 2010, the last months of this year. And in these months, usually we see a rally, right? We call it a rally at the end of the year, right? And watch the euro. I will not add anything. Watch the euro. I cross the lines, and you tell me what to expect. Watch where it stopped. This is the new downtrend line, right? Of all the correction of the big up move. This is a correction, and this is the downtrend line, right here. Euro meet now this downtrend line, and also it met the uptrend line of the big uptrend line that was broken 2 weeks ago. So what can we expect from this move? Well, actually, usually after such a big cross meet, we expect a downtrend. We expect a downtrend. But and I will share with you my the reason why I'm confused. Okay, watch the weekly chart. Can you see the weekly chart? Right. What can we say from this weekly chart? The stochastic is begin to cross up. We have this powerfully, unbelievably powerfully hammer, right, which was blocked here. The MACD blocked on the zero line, and from the weekly chart, we can understand the euro want to go up. Will it go up? Well, to be honest, I am not sure at all yet. I'm not sure at all yet, and that's why I'm confused. Because if we go up, then it means that we are going probably to see a break of this triangle. And if it breaks this triangle, that means that in 1-2 years the euro will go and create a new high of all the times, a new high. But as I mentioned before, it's only an expectation, and as for now, I don't know what to look for. I go back to the daily chart, and I still think that as long as this uptrend line is not broken, as long as this downtrend line is not broken, and you can see the 20 moving average of the Bollinger Band, we don't have any reason to look to buy again the euro. We had a reason to buy it from here, right? And we get this uptrend move. And to be honest, the speed of this move surprised me, because I was not sure that it will be too powerful, and I thought it will be blocked around 133.20, at least for Friday, and then some down and then up again. But the euro was too powerful, and I was wrong about the speed of the up move. And anyway, the target that I thought it will reach was reached. Well, what is next? As I told you, I would like to go to look for selling opportunities from here. But if this downtrend line is broken and this uptrend line, right, is this uptrend line is broken up again also, then we can talk about a long-term uptrend. Anyway, I think that from this point the euro will go down, maybe even create a divergence, a bullish divergence here, so it means the euro will go down all the way to the support again, and then we could talk about long-term U-turn, long-term rebound up, right? So anyway, as I told you, as for now I'm too confused, but I think that as long as this downtrend line is not broken, this is a good chance to look to sell the euro, at least for a short rebound down after this powerful flight up. And if we go to short-term charts, let's see what can we have. We have this resistance also. Can you see it? We have a resistance. We have MACD that created amazingly a new high, right? And we have on 1 hour chart, we have, what do we have here? Well, nothing yet. We have a beginning of a down slope of the MACD. That means that the euro might try to go at least to the 20 moving average of Bollinger Bands, at least. So let's see how the week begins. My bet, and I want to point out this point. This is a bet only, because it's not technical. As you can see, we are in critical technical levels, right? Critical technical level, and that's why it's only a bet that from this point we will see some attempt to go down. But let's see how the weeks begin, and then we will make a conclusion. The next pair I want to talk about is the British pound against the dollar, and as you can see here, the situation is almost the same. We have this downtrend line, right? We have this uptrend line, as you can see here, that was began here. Okay, you can see it now. Okay, it was begin here, and we have this uptrend line, and we have another cross up. We have the MACD goes up, and probably that in these levels, which is somewhere around 158, 158.50 maybe, we will see an attempt and a U-turn down. And if we see another down move, that my target would be 154, and it will be the last downtrend if it happens anyway. So as for the beginning of the week, I am little bullish, but it will be a good opportunity to look to sell the British pound and enjoy the chance that the pound will create another down move. If we go to short-term charts, well, the situation is almost as on the euro. We have this fly up, right? We have this fly up, and now it's a good time to look for to retrace to the Bollinger Bands, right? Retrace to the Bollinger Bands. The 1 hour chart showed the same situation as the euro. The slope of the MACD is going down, and probably we will see a beginning of a return to 20 moving average of the Bollinger Band. The next pair is Australian against the dollar. Let's see, Aussie dollar. Well, do I need to add anything more to this chart? This is the weekly chart. I don't think I have to. I think that the Australian wants to go up. I think that the Australian wants to go up. It was blocked on this uptrend line. It was blocked on this support level, right? The MACD blocked on the zero line. I think that the Australian will continue up. And this is from weekly chart. But from daily chart, let's see, because we have this uptrend line, we have this resistance line, which is also the up boundary of the Bollinger Bands. We might see some games here, down again, and then only a break up. But I do think that the Australian wants to go up. I do think that Australian wants to go up. We might see some games around these levels. The level is 0.9980 until a parity level. This is the levels it should stop, and we might see some games here, down, up, down, on again, and until it breaks the Bollinger Bands and we go up all the way. Well, another pair I want to talk about is the dollar yen, which, to be honest, surprised me very much, because I thought it will make some attempts to go up and test the 85 level. It was not so far from there. It was only 60 pips from there, but still it retraced little earlier than expected. Well, let's see what happens if it breaks down the Bollinger and open the Bollinger Bands. We are going down for the dollar yen, and this is the expectation. If it breaks the daily Bollinger Bands, we go down. Okay, and if we do, don't forget the big target of the investors, which is 75 level. The next one will be gold. Watch the MACD of the gold. We are gonna see very soon some stop and retrace. This is the daily chart. Well, on the daily chart we might see a triple divergence created, but to have it, we must see the gold blocked on the daily chart, at least, maximum during the next 3 days. Maximum, we have to see this stopped. We have to see this stop maximum to 1,440-50 level maximum, and with low and not powerful candles, create a bearish candle pattern, and then we could look for a sell. As for now, it is very bullish, and don't look to sell it yet, as long as we don't have a bearish candle pattern. And that's it for today. I have a few more pairs to talk about, such as dollar Canadian and dollar franc, but I am not sure about these pairs yet, and I want to see the beginning of the week, and when I see the beginning of the week, 1-2 days, I will update about these pairs and about the rest of the pairs on my blog. So I wish you good week and good luck with the trading, and be careful about the euro and the British pound, especially because they both reach very critical levels. Well, thank you for your time watching this video. I hope you enjoy, and I wish you a profitable week as always. Thank you very much. Vladimir.